How to download free ringtones on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Play Stores on your device. And now here you can easily search for free ringtones. You can easily tap the app shown in this guide and hit install button. Also, once it has been installed and downloaded, you can open the application and adjust your data sharing preferences by selecting Manage option and confirm your choices. You can easily explore the application and select your desired ringtone and then download it. What's the required add to proceed, and you can easily set as ringtone and allow the app to modify system settings. But you need to note that there is no built-in feature to download free ringtones on your Android device. What you can do alternatively is you can easily download any particular song and then choose custom ringtone on your Android device. So that's it. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.